guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the blend features on CapCut mobile. Let's start. At first you have to open your CapCut app. Now tap on new project. Then select your video and put it on your timeline. In here tap on overlay and then tap on add overlay and then add the overlay on your video and here extend it like this. In here you guys can find out any blend option. You have to tap on splice option, then you guys can use the blend features on CapCut mobile. Like this, choose the blend option and then put it on your video, and in here I'm going to add another overlay, and like the previous way I'm going to adjust it. And here I'm going to put it like this, and then I'm going to split them, and here let's watch the video. So this is how you guys can use the blend feature on CapCut mobile. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.